From a culture of innovation and customer obsession, Klein Tools designed and engineered hard hats with a focus on safety, comfort, and fit. These Type 1 Class E and Class C hard hats are equipped with unique features to enhance user experience in demanding job site environments.
This hard hat, the liner, don't even realize it's on the most comfortable hard hat I've ever worn in the 20 years I've been in the business.
The vent is a great feature. Really, when you have the air moving, it cools you, keeps you cool, and it's just a different feature you don't see.
With the vents and the light that comes off, you can stick it on a stud. Love that.
I had just a company-issued hard hat before that was, it would pinch you back here, and it got uncomfortable quick. This seems to have like an absorbent band in it that's really nice feature, and the pad in the top, especially for a guy with no hair, you know, like me, sometimes the old one rubbed, and this gives you a real nice, just real good comfort level.